is Bulletproof warm-up session number 11. First up, we're going to do an L-up progression. And so in round one, you'll do a tuck up for 20 reps, which is from a dead hang position from a bar. You're just going to raise your knees as high as you can up towards your chest and then control back down for 20 reps. Then we're going to go immediately into a wall walk. To start this, you'll have your feet against the wall, go to push-up position, then bring one leg up as high as you can possibly reach, and bring your other foot to meet it, and then keeping your abs on tight, walk your hands in as close to the wall as you can. If you can give the wall a kiss, give it a kiss, and then walk your hands back down. You want to do this in a slow and controlled manner. Okay, so up and down is 1 rep, and you'll do 4 reps of that. If you can only get both feet up onto the wall without even moving your hands, that's fine. Just hold that and practice moving your hands. Next up, you'll do a bicycle crunch. So I'm cycling my legs, bringing my knees towards my chest, and then crunching with my hands behind my head and bringing my elbow to touch the knee. Okay, for the animal. The rabbit today. So you'll start by having your hands on your hands and legs, hands and feet, and then you're just moving your body weight forwards and backwards, putting pressure onto your hands and sort of jumping your feet until they're level with your hands, and then reverse on the way back. Okay, round 2, we're going to do the same movement, a tuck up, except you're going to do an extension with a pause, bring it back down and down to the ground. So this is obviously more challenging than round 1, and all we're trying to do is bring your knees up to 90 degrees, straighten your legs out, even if it's just for a second. Try and pause for a couple seconds if you can, and then bring them back down. Okay, so you're moving through an L position just for a fraction of a second, and you'll do 20 reps of that. Then you'll go back to the wall walk and do another 4 reps of the wall walk. So as I said before, even if you can't even move your hands, or if you can only move them a little bit, that's fine. Just do as much as you can. Even if you need to have your feet just on a box and practice being inverted, that's fine as well. Then you'll do the bicycle crunch again for 20 reps each side. So 1 rep of elbow touching knee, or your elbow touching your knee is 1 rep, and you do 20 of those each side. Then we're going to do the rabbit again. Okay, so going backwards, you put your hands between your ankles and jump your feet back, and then going forward, I bring my feet in line with my wrists. And when you land with your feet, try and have them flat on the ground. The last round and the last progression is an L up. So starting from a dead hang position, keeping my legs locked out and my abs on tight, I bring my legs up into an L position, hold the L for a second, and come back down. Up into L and come back down. And you'll do 20 reps of those. Then you'll do the wall walk once again, same as before, 4 reps. Bring feet up together on the wall, walk your hands in as far as you can. If you can get all the way in, that's great. When you're doing these, focus on keeping your sternum and belly button crunched together so your abs are on tight, trying to emulate a hollow body position. Then you'll do the bicycle crunch 1 more time. Once again, start in a hollow body, hands behind head, cycle your legs and crunch your abs, bring your elbows to your knees. Then you do the rabbit 1 last time, and that's it.